Hi y'all, my name is Max. I'm a senior marketing and management double major with a minor in entrepreneurship and innovation here at Seattle University. I've never been a numbers person ever since I was a kid. I always just knew I would pursue a career that valued creative freedom, strategic thinking, and leadership, which is what drew me to my majors today. I'm here to let you know that I am one of this year's group of new student mentors. This might still be a little confusing to many of you, but I promise my role and what I can do to help you will become a lot clearer in the coming days. I just want to take a moment and share 3 pieces of information about myself so you can get to know me better outside of academics. So the first piece is that I love house music. It's been a part of my life since I was a child, ever since I learned how to be a DJ from my grandpa, who's also a DJ in his prime. I've been DJing since 2015, and I love house music so much because it is the perfect combination in my head of classic old school samples with a funky modern groove that brings the energy every single time. And when I'm not DJing, I'm most likely reading self-development and business books. So this is a new hobby of mine after I cut back my time on streaming apps and YouTube last summer. I usually finish about 2 books per month, and my favorites this summer have been Mark Manson's The Subtle Art series and a book on food tech and CPG companies called Technically Food by Larissa Zimberoff. I'm open to any suggestions you guys have, and I'd love to connect if you're also readers. This year, in addition to getting graduated and also getting hired, I am looking forward to bettering my health by sticking to a fitness routine. Anyways, I'm so excited to see and help many of you at your new class of Albers, and I just want to reiterate, welcome to Seattle University.